Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix signature not verify in PDF. So simply at first open your Adobe Acrobat and open your PDF. Press on to open PDF. If you don't get verification, press on to menu option and press on and you get signature showing it to verification. Press on more and deselect this option, press on OK. Now you get verification, but still not you get verification. Again open this signature, verification, more option and right mark, press on OK. I hope you just follow this step, then you can fix this problem.